Find the equation of the normal to the curve y is equal to x power 3 minus 2x minus 1 at point 1, negative 2. We are given y is equal to x power 3 minus 2x minus 1 at point 1, negative 2. The gradient is given by dy over dx, which is equal to 3x power 2, 3x power 2 minus 2. That is our gradient. Then now at point 1, negative 2, gradient will be, our x here is 1, so our gradient will be 3. We substitute 1 here 3, 1 power 2 minus 2. That is giving us 3 times 1 minus 2, which is equal to 3 minus 2, which is equal to 1. So the gradient is 1. Therefore, we can say that the gradient of the curve y is equal to x power 3 minus 2x minus 1 at point 1, negative 2 is equal to 1. Now, a gradient of the normal to the curve is given by the negative reciprocal of the gradient of the tangent. A gradient of the normal to the curve is given by the negative reciprocal of the gradient of the tangent. Therefore, we can say that gradient of the normal is the negative reciprocal of the gradient of the tangent. The gradient of the tangent here is 1. The negative reciprocal of this is will be negative 1 over 1. That is giving us negative 1. So the gradient of the normal will be negative 1. A normal to a curve at a point is a line perpendicular to the tangent to the curve at that particular point. A normal to a curve at a point is a line perpendicular to the tangent to the curve at that particular point. So now we can say that at point 1, negative 2, the gradient of the normal gradient of the normal is given by change in y over change in x. That is this is our x, this is our y. So this is y minus negative 2 here over x minus 1 here. That is giving us y plus 2 over x minus 1. And this is the gradient of the normal. This is the gradient of the normal, which is negative 1. So this is giving us negative 1. So we can say that y plus 2 over x minus 1 is equal to negative 1. We can cross multiply. This is going to give us 1 times y plus 2 is equal to negative 1 x minus 1. This is y plus 2 is equal to negative x plus 1. y is equal to negative x plus 1 minus 2. Y is equal to negative x minus 1. Therefore, we can say that the equation of the normal to the curve is equation of the normal to the curve. The equation of the normal to the curve is y is equal to negative x minus 1. Thank you for watching.